What does it mean to experience true luxury on four wheels? Is it the purr of a meticulously engineered engine, the scent and feel of hand-stitched leather, or perhaps the thrill of cutting-edge technology at your fingertips? Luxury cars, in their many forms, embody these experiences and more. Take, for instance, the opulent world of Rolls-Royce. Each model, from the elegant Phantom to the robust Cullinan, speaks a language of grandeur. The Phantom, with its majestic presence, is akin to a rolling palace. It offers an unmatched level of comfort and sophistication, with features like the Starlight headliner that mimics a starry night sky. On the other hand, the Cullinan, Rolls-Royce's first foray into the SUV market, combines the brand's signature luxury with rugged capability. It dares to venture off the beaten path, yet ensures its occupants are cocooned in extravagance. Now shift gears to the realm of sports luxury, where brands like Porsche and Maserati reign. The Porsche 911 Carrera is not just a car, it's a legacy. It balances raw power with refined luxury, offering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable. Maserati, with its Italian flair, presents the Quattroporte, a luxury sedan that doesn't compromise on performance. It's a symphony of speed and style, boasting a powerful engine and a cabin that's a testament to Italian craftsmanship. Yet luxury isn't just about power and opulence. Take, for example, the Tesla Model S. It redefines luxury with its focus on sustainability and technology. Its electric powertrain offers impressive acceleration, while its autopilot feature brings the future of driving to the present. So, what have we learned today? Luxury cars, while all offering a superior driving experience, differ greatly in their approach. Rolls-Royce, the epitome of traditional luxury, offers timeless elegance and comfort. Porsche and Maserati, on the other hand, blend performance with luxury, providing a thrilling yet comfortable ride. Finally, Tesla shows us that luxury can also be sustainable and tech-forward. In the end, the definition of luxury on four wheels is subjective. It depends on what you value, be it power, comfort, technology, or sustainability. But regardless of your preference, there's no denying that the world of luxury cars is a fascinating one, offering an array of experiences that go beyond just getting from point A to point B.